spend their rent money just to go like this for 2 bottles. That's, I don't know.
All right, what's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the Burly Bartender. Y'all know me by now, been at this a little while. So today we're gonna be doing a different kind of video. Instead of your typical making your drinks that I've been doing, we have a couple videos where I'm gonna be unboxing some high-end liquors, stuff you don't just find in any typical bar. It's expensive. So be sure to stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and check it out. All right, cool. I'll see y'all.
Okay, we going champagne now. The Dom Pérignon. All this stuff tastes like garbage to me. If it's gonna be so expensive, they should at least make it taste good, right? Like what y'all thinking? French champagne, but comes in a nice fancy box, similar to the Johnny Walker Black Label. Start with straight shots, then pop bottles. Pour it on a model. Dom Pérignon. This is where you see big beach in the club, like, but expensive stuff. Vintage 2015 Brut. Imported by Moet Hennessy. Ain't that crazy? So Moet owns everything, Hennessy owns everything. How you gonna have multiple kinds with, you know what I mean? The back of the bottle, of course, says do not drink if you're pregnant. Just a disclaimer. Keep them babies safe. Champagne is about 12.5% alcohol by volume. So, kind of strong. That's why you get a headache. Oh, how could I forget? Dom Pérignon is gonna cost you about $200 to $400 a bottle. Like I said, in the DC area, ain't nothing cheap. So you go to a club, like back in my day, you've been in Love Nightclub or Dream, holding this joint up. $200 to $400 in the store, you're spending $600 for a bottle in the club. Crazy. I've been working bars for a long time and I never got how people can spend their rent money just to go like this for 2 bottles. That's, I don't know. I'd rather buy a bunch of gold rings or something, like, bam, something that's actually worth something.